Let's drive Phantom Canyon Road in Colorado in my 1975 Lincoln Continental. So if you've been following along, we took a trip to Colorado, Cripple Creek area, actually stayed in Victor, Colorado. And one of the things we did was drive the Phantom Road. And you'll see us driving along it. It took us a couple hours, so of course this video is sped up. So, if you want to watch it a little bit slower, feel free to slow this video down. I also have a few pictures I took at the end of this, and I'm going to read real quick a little about the road just so you know what it is if you're not familiar with it, and then I'll just let the video play. So this is from Colorado.com. Phantom Canyon Road, a detour off the popular Gold Belt Tour scenic and historic byway in south central Colorado, features green spotted canyon walls and twisty turns lying on top of what was once a powerhouse railroad, the Florence and Cripple Creek Railroad, connecting the lucrative 1800s mining districts of Cripple Creek, Canyon City, and Florence. Ghost towns like Wilbur, Adelaide, and Glenbrook, to name a few, that washed away in flash floods or dissipated as a result of the slowing economy after the railroad closed in 1912, are eerily present throughout. We'll let you decide the significance of the word phantom in Phantom Canyon Road, especially if you're camping overnight. Some believe it's named after a 1890s ghost sighting of a man wearing a prison uniform walking along the tracks. The passengers who spotted the man claim he was executed at the Colorado State Penitentiary a few days prior. Engineers in narrow gauge railroads like the Florence and Cripple Creek Railroad excelled at navigating sharp, narrow turns and steep, ungraded drop-offs. As the road slowly gains in elevation from 5,500 to 9,500 feet, you'll squeeze through two tunnels that were meticulously chiseled out of dense, mountainous terrain by miners making room for a booming gold industry. Another site to keep an eye out for is Adelaide Bridge, which spans 8 Mile Creek. This steel structural landmark is an official site of the National Register of Historic Places and is the only remaining bridge from the Florence and Cripple Creek Railroad. So I'll let y'all get to the video. Like I said, some still pictures at the end, and then we'll wrap this up. So I definitely recommend, if you're in the area, to take this. You're gonna need a couple hours. It took us a couple hours. We were kind of taking our time, but even if you went fast through it, it's still probably at least a 2-hour drive. So, and I mean, you can't really go that fast because it's pretty windy, it gets pretty steep, and you know, it's dirt roads, and it's one way, or not one way, but there's one lane going both ways. So you're gonna have to pull off to the sides and let some traffic over. I'm sure y'all saw that in the video. I had to pull over a few times, let some people by. Anyway, if you've got the time and you're in the area, definitely take a drive out and look at the scenery. You know, you can camp overnight in certain areas. Certain areas are designated for camping, and so you can do that if you'd like to. Of course, we did not. We just took the drive and enjoyed the scenery. So, still more videos to come on this Colorado trip. If you're enjoying them, make sure you're subscribed. Ring that bell if you want to get notified when video comes out. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've driven this road and what you thought of it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more.